All right, how is everyone doing today? Thanks for dropping by my channel and checking it out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share it around. Today, it's gonna be a quick, fast, easy video. I'm gonna teach you guys how to save tomato seeds so that you can save your seeds for next year and the years to come. If you're growing tomatoes in your garden this year and you find a variety that you really like and want to keep your own seeds, it's one of the simplest things you can possibly do. So last year, a friend of mine gave me some sweet gold cherry tomatoes. They're these nice yellow ones here. They're super sweet, probably one of the sweetest tomatoes I've ever had. So I saved the seeds, and I've got a few of these kicking around this year. So I'm going to save 4 of these tomato seeds. There should be, I don't know, hopefully 20 or 30 of them in there. All you need is a glass, a knife, paper towel, elastic, and a little bit of water. First thing you're going to do, take your cherry tomato or tomato, whatever you're using. You're going to cut it in half. Going to take the seeds here. You're just going to squish them out here. Toss them in the glass here. Do all 4 of these here, so I have a lot for next year. I find a lot of cherry tomatoes, the ones I've grown lately, have no flavor and they're not that good. So I found these ones from my friend Paul, and these are absolutely delicious. And you'd even eat them after the seeds are out. Why waste it? So good, amazing. All right, keep going here. Okay, so what you're gonna get is in the bottom, it's hard to tell from the camera, there's a bunch of seeds. Next step, you take some water, just enough to have them, eighth of an inch over the top of them. Next step, take your paper towel here, pop it over, you wrap it with a elastic band. That way you're not gonna get any fruit flies or any flies into there. Now, I'll be back in 3 days to show you what happens. What you wanna do is let this sit here for 3 days. What's gonna happen is it's gonna grow a little bit of mold and stuff, and the enzymes on the tomato seeds are going to break down and disappear. You'll be left with the seeds. So I'll see you in 3 days. All right, it's been about 2 or 3 days since we got the tomato seeds in the water and letting them break down the gel around the seeds. So what you need is a strainer. I've just got a bowl of water here just for purposes of showing you instead of going over to my sink, but you can just rinse it off in your sink. You need just a plate to set them on and a paper towel, and make sure you label it. Don't mind my amazing printing skills there, they suck. Anyways, I've previously forgotten to label them, and then just when you plant them next year, who knows what they are. So what you want to do is take them out, or take the top off, and if you look at it, so I don't know if you can tell here, it's kind of hard to tell in the camera, but it's breaking down, and it hasn't got mold on it, but it's okay. All right, so what we want to do is take your strainer, your seeds, dump it in the strainer, and just give it a quick little rinse here, just to get all the rest of the little bits and bobs off from the seeds. All right, fast and easy. Now what you want to do is make sure you get excessive water off. Take your seeds, pop them on your plate here. Spread them out on your paper towel so that they start drying. You can spread them out a bit as well if you want. And they'll be dry by tomorrow. And then all you do is put them in a Ziploc bag with a label on it. I usually just fold it up like this, stick in the Ziploc bag, and ready to go for next year. There you go, guys. Just a quick, simple video on how to save your favorite tomato seeds so you can have them for next year. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you're growing lots of amazing different tomatoes. We should maybe do a seed swap, and I'll save some more seeds that I have going this year. So if you guys want to do a tomato seed swap, you got some cool varieties, drop a note in the link, and let's get some addresses swapped up and get some seeds swapped, and we can try different varieties for next year. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.